Today is Thursday, 28th of October, expiry of the October series, and a day which is characterized with over 2% fall on Nifty, and in addition to a higher bottom that we had seen at 17,950. This got taken out today in the close. We were carrying net long positions, and the expectation was that this should have been the most profitable expiry of the financial year. Instead, this has basically become the worst expiry of the financial year. And just to get an understanding, these are our current positions. As you can see, there are tons of positions that are squared off. So essentially, I have just dumped off my equity, and currently I am looking at a loss of 1,94,000 rupees. To understand how much this loss is a percentage of the account, I do not know. We can see that the used margin is 1.15 crore, available margin is around 45 lakh. But in general, I believe that this is a trading account of around 2 crore rupees. Typically, till before this expiry, we were risking 50,000 rupees per trade. Now, going into this expiry, we are risking 1 lakh rupee per trade. And generally, when I start with a higher risk profile, somehow things have it where I need to book those losses first. So as we can see, I was long on Berger Paint. We stopped out on 1 lakh loss. Oracle FinServe stopped out on 1 lakh loss. Nifty Future stopped out on 85,000 loss. REC will get stopped out now. Siemens is pretty close. LTTS is quite a distance away, so we can wait. All of them are November. I just need to see now what is in October. So I have Shriram Transport for quantity. So first step is to it's so chaotic. So just square all of this off, remove this, and I'll just add SR Transfin. Okay, how do we do this? So, so we have Shriram Transport, we have Page for November, and that's it. I think Shriram Transport and Page are the only surviving stocks from October which need to be rolled over. We have 2 minutes. So as per rule, I have 4 lots of this instrument, and I will be rolling over 2. So I'll just square this off now, and I will square off Page now, and I will buy 2 lots of Shriram Transport November. Oops. And I will buy 2 lots of Page. So right now, as you can see, when there is the expiry, you can see I'm getting disturbed from a crying child and phone calls and everything. So I just need to confirm now. November. I hope I don't have anything of October remaining. November. Where's Page? And where is Shriram Transport? Yeah, this is about it in the expiry. The worst possible expiry of the financial year. Even though this is showing a loss of 1,70,000, overall in this expiry we are in a profit. We are largely in profits basically because the price that is shown for Page is inaccurate. We were long from 33,000, and also we have trades like REC and Grasim etc., which did square off earlier in the expiry, but they went off for marginal gains. Nonetheless, the day is closed. Nifty is down around 2%, and not only is it down, as we can see in this particular chart structure, this is a bearish engulfing confirmation, support, a bullish confirmation. It should have ideally gone long, but today it's fallen short. So reasonable to expect that it will come somewhere near its 50 DMA at 14,450 to 14,500. The reason for dumping all of these equities in a single go from my account is simply because I find holding onto equities a little boring. If the market breaks a new low, which means that I find it difficult to stay with equities if they cross a certain loss threshold of 4, 5, 7,000 rupees. I just can't have them in my portfolio. And so this is the structure. There is obviously it's been a tough expiry in general because because we had a really good start and it was expected that we would do much better. But it's okay. We'll carry the positions as we see fit, and REC, Siemens, LTTS are strong stocks. I mean, it's okay. It's a lot is possible in the coming few days. So let's hope for the best. I hope you have a much better expiry than a minus whatever 1-2 lakh rupees. Take care. Have a good day.